everyone, this is Anita C. So right now I'm in Wuhan, China. For those who have followed my channel for a bit, you know that I have my annual business trip to Wuhan, and I always stay at this Wuhan Marriott Wuhan Optics Valley. This is the second time I stay at the One Bedroom Suite because last time it was a very good deal, and this time is because my husband can tack on with my trip for the weekend. You know, he has some business here as well, and we can tack our trips together. So we are spending 2 nights here. We will both have our own meetings, and then we will go to the other Marriott for the weekend. So anyway, this is the reason why I booked the 1 bedroom suite this time as well. But this is very good price, you know, in China. I think around $200 US for this super spacious 1 bedroom suite. Okay, so let me do a quick room tour again. Okay, so this is the door. This is the balcony, and it's very bright. It's, you know, like panorama, you know, corner room. Okay, when I walk in on my left, the powder room, and then it's mentioned complimentary beverage and mini bar is provided in suite, supplied daily. So actually we can have all the drinks here, which includes some soft drinks and some beers. Okay, and then they do have the Nespresso coffee machine, the kettle, and 4 bottles of water with the coffee mug, wine glasses, teacups, 2 capsules as well. And this is actually quite interesting. They say scan the QR code and the robot will bring the grocery and drinks and everything to us. So I may have a try later on today because I just want to try out the new technology in some ways. Okay, so on my left, continuing on, is the walk-in closet, and then walking through to the big bathroom. But let me show you the living room first. Okay, so this is really like a home, right? So comfortable, so spacious. I can't remember exactly the room number. Maybe I have the same room last time. I have to double check my channel. So anyway, it's definitely the same setup. You know, I remember sitting here talking about the internet things for you guys, and you know, showing you the Optics Valley, you know, and this is the view. Okay, so coming back here, as I say, there is a good sized television here, a very spacious and comfortable living room area, nice decor. Okay, and then this is a good place, you know, to do some work. And this is the welcome, you know, other than the mini bar, they have, you know, some snacks, water, and a soda here. Okay, so very quickly, let me walk in. This is the bedroom. 1 king size bed, super thick mattress, very nice. Great linens and pillow selection, and then again a lazy chair that some can sit here, and then there's another television there that, you know, we can enjoy from the bedroom. Okay, and I do like, you know, this is the newer light design and everything, and the decor. Okay, so walking right in, this is the bathroom with the huge bathtub. It's single sink, but then you can see they have the Dyson, the Dyson hair dryer, the same as what I have at home. And let's see what they have. Oh, okay, just a drawer. Oh, okay, so the amenity kit that I'm looking is right here. brought the extra 2 bottled water. And then they have the rain shower. And their normal amenity kit. And the washroom here. So walking back through here is the walk-in closet, which I can put my luggage here. They do provide an umbrella in case it's raining, and then 2 bathrobes here, and then the iron board. And the door can close so it can separate everything out if you want to. You know, separate the walk-in closet from the bathroom, or the walk-in closet from the walkout area to the living room, and then can close out here between the bathroom and the bedroom, as well as closing the door here from the bedroom to the living room. So that's pretty much everything. And most probably we'll have dinner here. We'll definitely have breakfast here. We have Club Lounge SS, Club M, so we're going to show you everything for our stay here. Just follow us. See you in a bit. This is the hot dry noodle, the famous noodle in Wuhan.